What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at Python descriptors. So, what exactly are Python descriptors? Python descriptors are powerful yet often overlooked feature of the Python language that allows customizing how to attribute access works. And they actually provide a mechanism to manage attribute access through special methods, enabling sophisticated behaviors when getting, setting, or deleting attributes on objects. This fundamental Python feature powers many of the language's built-in functionalities and is extensively used in popular frameworks like Django and SQL Alchemy. Understanding descriptors actually gives you deeper insight into the Python's internals and unlocks advanced programming Python. So here's an example, working example of descriptors in action in this code. Do well to take your time, pause this video, enlarge the video, fill the screen, and then take your time, enter this in your VS Code and also in your Python to understand better what and how these descriptors work. Okay, thank you, and do let us know how it went in the comment section. Peace out.